He thrives in it, but the conditioning really allows him to set a pace and keep some things up. And now he has the opportunity he's been waiting his whole career for. He can finally walk out here tonight and largely perfect since his UFC.
I was excited about this new young guy, but I'm telling you, man, he has exceeded all expectation. And tonight he enters the octagon. It's time!
Kiffer's gone for the rules in the back.
Khabib in his usual role as betting favorite, minus 315. Justin Gaethje is plus 250. Gaethje is in blue with the gold trim. Khabib is in
footwork. Look at his movement. He's never stationary. He's a moving target now. He's not just a zombie trying to walk guys down. Man, you know, this is a big time fight, you know, but this guy's been here before. But this is the range that Justin needs to be at. You see how he's
a nice counter shot from Gaethje.
And when you get an athlete like Khabib Nurmagomedov, you cannot be reckless with a guy that has dynamite in his hands like Justin Gaethje. You notice Gaethje stance a little lower today, opposed to the Ferguson fight. Before he was very tall.
Nurmagomedov, who touches the toes to the body there. Right hand lands for Gaethje.
Justin needs to right. Nurmagomedov has a fantastic jab, man. The whole time he's got Justin on his heels. He's not allowing Justin to take the center of the octagon.
Looked like a pretty big knee there from
You don't have to knock him out with every shot, and when Justin did that, it's when he started to really piece Tony Ferguson up.
Beautiful body kick lands. So Nurmagomedov realizing some success on the feet here 3 minutes in.
And a lot of that success comes from the idea that Justin has to defend.
And that left hand a moment ago drew a smile out of Gaethje. Oh, and now another body kick. Nurmagomedov throws a flying knee. Oh, nice body shot. A left hook up top from Gaethje. Right hand over the top partially lands for Gaethje. And again, that front kick of Nurmagomedov. Khabib beats it. One takedown thus far unofficially.
Well, the problem with Justin Gaethje is right now he's trying to react to everything Khabib is doing. He's got
a beautiful shot there on the double leg, and Nurmagomedov has his first takedown.
That's one of his best attacks, right? He shoots the double leg with his head.
Final seconds of round one. Strong
Khabib with the beautiful jab, walking Justin Gaethje down, left hook, right hand.
They did put some ice on that left leg of Khabib Nurmagomedov, so we will keep an eye on that. And clearly for Trevor Whitman, they want him to. Left hand behind the ear lands for Gaethje.
Beautiful footwork there by Gaethje.
Another leg kick.
And that one seemed to hurt the champ a little bit. You saw how
leg kick for Nurmagomedov. Now a combination appear to partially land. Nurmagomedov back to the well with that front kick.
Oh, beautiful takedown by Nurmagomedov. Oh, as Gaethje goes that shot. Oh, he's tapping.
It looks like he's
tapped. In the world, unquestioned, after dominating the interim champion like that, especially after Justin looked as he did against Tony
Nurmagomedov is immediately resorted to tears, and you can be sure bottling up a lot of those emotions here.
I mean, you never know what he's going to pull out next. Justin Gaethje tapped a long time.
The task is done. He can exhale, and an amazing display from Gaethje coming in. Both of these guys managed by
And look at this moment as he finally is able to exhale, right? This fight happens in October.